Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zakiananto. Today I will presentations about inside the computer. A computer's main components. Computers are made up of different components, all doing an individual job or function. Inside a computer, there are five main components: the motherboard, CPU, RAM, storage, and power supply. Without these five parts, you simply don't have a computer. Motherboard. The motherboard is the computer's main circuit board. It's a thin plate that holds the CPU, memory, connectors for the hard drive and optical drive, expansion card code to control the video and audio, and connections to your computer's port. The motherboards connect directly or indirectly to every part of the computer. CPU processor. The central processing unit, also called a processor, is located inside the computer case on the motherboard. It is sometimes called the brain of the computer, and its job to carry out commands. Whenever you press a key, click the mouse, or start an application, you're sending instruction to the CPU. The CPU is usually a 2-inch ceramic square with a silicon chip located inside. The chip is usually about the size of a thumbnail. The CPU fits into the motherboard CPU socket, which is covered by the heat sink, an object that absorbs heat from the CPU. A processor speed is measured in megahertz or million of instructions per second, and gigahertz or billion of instructions per second. A faster processor can execute instructions more quickly. However, the actual speed of the computers depends on the speed of many different components, not just the processor. Random access memory. RAM is your system's short-term memory. Whenever your computer performs calculations, it temporarily stores the data in the RAM until it is needed. The short-term memory disappears when the computer is turned off. If you are working on a document, spreadsheet, or other type of file, you will need to save it to avoid losing it. When you save a file, the data is written to the hard drive, which acts as long-term storage. Storage or hard drive. The hard drive is where your software, documents, and the other files are stored. The hard drive is long-term storage, which means the data is still safe even if you turn the computer off or unplug it. When you run a program or open a file, the computer copies some of the data from the hard drive onto the RAM. When you save a file, the data is copied back to the hard drive. The faster the hard drive, the faster your computer can start up and load programs. Power supply. The power supply unit in a computer converts the power from the wall outlet to the type of power needed by the computer. It sends power through cables to the motherboards and other components. And then the next presentation is malicious program or software. What is malware? Malware covers malicious programs which are specifically designed to delete, block, modify, or copy data or to disrupt the performance of computers or computer networks. This class includes virus, worm, trojans, and the other programs used to automatically conduct malicious activity. There are 7 types of malware: virus, worms, Trojan horse, spyware, adware, ransomware, and fileless malware. Number 1. Virus. A type of malware that spreads by inserting itself into other files or programs, potentially corrupting data and causing system instability. Viruses are a subgroup of malware. A virus is malicious software attached to a document or file that supports macros to execute its code and spread from the host to host. Once downloaded, the virus will lie dormant until the file is open and in use. viruses are designed to disrupt a system's ability to operate. As a result, viruses can cause significant operational issues and data loss. Number two is worms. A worm is a type of malicious software that can replicate itself and spread across computer networks independently without needing human interactions to spread. A worm is a type of malicious software that rapidly replicates and spreads to any device within a network. Unlike virus, worms do not need hosts to program the disseminate. A worm infects a device through a download file or a network connection before it multiplies and disperses at an exponential rate. Like virus, worms can severely disrupt the operations of a device and cause data loss. Number three is Trojan horse. A Trojan horse, in the context of computer security, is a type of malware disguised as legitimate software to trick users into running it, potentially leading to data theft, system access, or other malicious activities. Trojan viruses are disguised as helpful software programs, but once the user downloads it, the Trojan virus can gain access to sensitive data and then modify, block, or delete the data. This can be extremely harmful to the performance of the device. Unlike normal viruses and worms, Trojan viruses are not designed to self-replicate. Spyware. Spyware is a type of malicious software that covertly installed on a device and gathers data without the user's knowledge or consent. Spyware is malicious software that runs secretly on computer and reports back to a remote user. Rather than simply disruption, device operation, spyware targets sensitive information and can grant remote access to predators. Spyware is often used to steal financial or personal information. A specific type of spyware is a keylogger, which records your keystroke to reveal password and personal information. Adware is a type of malware, not a virus, that displays unwanted advertisement on your computer or device. Often without your knowledge or consent, adware is a malicious software used to collect data on your computer usage and provide appropriate advertisement to you. While adware is not always dangerous, in some cases adware can cause issues for your system. Adware can redirect your browser to unsafe sites, and it can even contain Trojan horse and spyware. Additionally, significant level of adware can slow down your system noticeably. Because not all always is malicious, it is important to have protection that consciously and intelligently scans these programs. And ransomware is a type of malware that encrypts the victim's personal data until a ransom is paid. Ransomware is malicious software that gains access to sensitive information within the system, encrypt the information so that the user cannot access it, and then demands a financial payout for the data to be released. Ransomware is commonly part of a phishing scam. By clicking a disguised link, the user downloads the ransomware. The attacker processes to encrypt specific information that can only be opened by a mathematical key that they know. When the attacker receives payment, the data is unlocked. Fileless malware is a type of malicious code that executes directly in a computer's memory by passing the need to download or write files to the hard drive. Files malware is a type of memory resident malware. As the name suggests, it is malware that operates from a victim's computer memory, not from file or on the hard drive, because there are no files to scan. It is harder to detect than traditional malware. It also makes forensics more difficult because the malware disappears when the victim computer is rebooted. And how protect not networks against malwares? To protect your computers from malware, regularly update your operating system and software. Use strong password. Be cautious when clicking links or downloading files. And use reliable antivirus software. Enable firewalls and regularly scan for malware. Kamsahamnida.